Hey guys, welcome to Planet Conquer. Okay, so you've heard of the voltage triangle, VIR, you've heard of the power triangle, PIV or PVI, and you've heard of the charge triangle, QIT. Well, today I'm about to talk about something called the PARL Square, which is for resistivity. Basically, I was doing an exam for level 2 electrical installation. It was the electrical science and maths exam. And basically I've been struggling to get the resistivity calculations in my head. And yeah, you're probably saying, oh yeah, they're really easy. But for some, it's not that easy to get some mathematical equations in the head. So what I've done is I've invented something called the PARL Square, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So for the PARL Square, we have the P, which stands for rho, which is your resistivity of the item you're trying to find the resistance of. You have the A, which is for the area, the R, which is for the resistance, and you have the L, which is for the length. Okay, so next we're going to put in the square, and then we're going to put a multiplication sign just here. And that is the PARL Square, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so using the PARL Square, let's say we want to work out the resistivity of whatever it is. It would be P, or rho, equals A times R divided by L. Because with the PARL Square, you always multiply before you divide. Each of these lines represents a division line, but you always multiply first. So to work out rho, the resistivity, it's A times R divided by L. To work out the area, it would be A equals P times L, and then divide that by R, and that would give you the area. To work out the length, it would be L equals A times R divided by rho, or P. To work out the resistance, it would be R equals P, or resistivity, times L divided by A. So that's resistivity times length divided by area, and that gives you your resistance. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the PARL Square. So I hope you found the PARL Square useful. I don't know if there's anything else out there like that. If there is, let me know. But I did use this for my exam, as I had a question come up on resistivity. So hopefully the PARL Square will help some of you guys out there. And yeah, thanks for watching Planet Conquer, and have a good day.